Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are longing to come to school. What do you do at school? You learn at school, right? You learn more and more new things at school. So, today I have come here to keep you engaged these days with lots of fun. Then why to wait? Let's start. Today I am going to tell you how to write few sentences about any given picture or topic. That is called picture composition. After learning this picture composition, we will be able to write sentences on a given topic after looking at a picture. Then write a paragraph or a story based on the observation of the given picture. Children, we have to follow few tips to write picture composition. That is, observe the picture carefully. Ask questions and note down the answers. Write meaningful sentences. Arrange the points properly. Write a title to the composition based on the main theme of the picture. Then begin the paragraph away from the margin line. Now you will have a doubt, what type of question should I ask? When you read, when you write, there are 6 questions to keep in mind. That is, who? Who is the story about? What? What happened and what went down? When? When is the time and date? Where? Where does the story take place? How? How did things happen and what worked out? Why? Why did it all come about? These are the questions you have to keep in mind, and when you observe the picture, pose these questions, write meaningful sentence and arrange them in proper order. Which sentence has to come first, then next, in that way. There are 4 different types of picture composition. First part is fill in the blanks. You have clues here. You have to see the clues according to the sentence, suitable word you have to fill it. This is what is this picture? Park. So you have to tick park and write down here. There are dash boys and dash girl in the park. See the picture, how many girls and then how many boys, write down. So there are 2 boys and 1 girl in the park. Dash is running in the park. Raj is running in the park. Dash and Dash are cycling. Tina and Roy are cycling. They are having fun. All the words are here. You have to only choose and fill the blank. Next, second type of picture composition is question and answers. You will have a question. According to the picture, look at the picture and frame a proper sentence and write down the answer. How many children are playing? There are 3 children playing. How many children are playing? There are 3 children playing. Where are they playing? Where are they playing? They are playing in the park. How many birds are flying in the picture? There are 3 birds flying in the picture. Who are playing in the park? Children are playing in the park. What more can you see in the park? There are 2 trees in the park. Now third type of picture composition is write 4 sentences about each picture. They may give you to write 4 sentences. A picture is given. Here in this you should observe the pictures. What are the pictures in the picture? Then you can write each sentence about each picture. Here first we'll take about aeroplane. An aeroplane is flying in the sky. Then a man. A man is walking with his dog. There are many apples on the tree. There is a house beside the road. Here they asked you to write 4 sentences. So you choose the pictures and you frame the sentence Now, in the fourth part of the picture composition, here you have to write few sentences about the picture. A picture is given, you have to write few sentences. That is, what is the name of your school? You have to keep posing the questions and write the answers. The name of my school is Johnson Grammar ICSE. Where is your school? My school is in Hapsiguda. What do you see in your school? There are many classrooms in my school. What do you do in the school? I study and play with my friends at school. My teacher, who teaches you at school? My teacher teaches us with love and care. I love to go to school. I am proud of my school. Here every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So, they asked you to write few sentences. You have posed questions and framed sentences. The same picture composition can be written as paragraph writing also. Nothing, children, need not worry. It is just joining all these sentences and writing it like a story. And when you write a paragraph, you should begin it away from the margin line. And if you are going to write another paragraph continuation, you have to again go to the next line, leave some space to the margin line and write the next paragraph. Nothing, this is same sentences. You are going to join here together and write it like a story. This is the difference between sentences and paragraph writing. Now, in this way, you can practice about my mother, my school, my home, a beautiful garden, my favorite toy, a zoo, etc. There are many things you want to practice, you can practice in your rough book. Let's have a quick recap. What did we learn today, children? Today we have learnt about picture composition. After you learn, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to write sentences on a given topic. After looking at a picture, write a paragraph or story based on the observation of the given picture. Tips to write a picture composition. Observe the picture carefully. Ask questions and note down the answers. Write meaningful sentences. Arrange them in order. Write a title to the composition based on the main theme or picture. Then begin the paragraph away from the margin line. Now, what type of questions you should follow? You should follow who is the story about, what happened and what went wrong, when is the time and date, where does the story take place, how did things happen and work out, why did it all come about. Here we have 4 types of picture composition. First one is fill in the blanks. The second type of picture composition is question and answers. The third type of picture composition is write 4 sentences about each picture, about each individual picture. Then the other type is they give a picture and they ask you to write few sentences. Only you will describe about only one picture. And this sentences, you can write them in a paragraph. You can join all the sentences together and write them as a paragraph. It looks like a story. And when you begin a paragraph, you should begin it away from the margin line. And in second paragraph, if you begin the same way, you will leave some space and write away from the margin line. And one more thing I would like to share with you is, you keep reading books or newspapers. And from newspapers, you can circle the words which you know and underline the words which you don't know and ask your parents, find out the meanings of those underlined words, or you can find out the meanings from the dictionary with the help of your parents and have handwriting practice, because when the handwriting is clear, you will be able to read and understand. And once you are able to read and understand, you will be able to write. So, all these skills will develop with your handwriting. Before I end this class, children, I would show you few pages in the textbook. Page number 13. Look at the pictures and complete the story. You may use the help box for hints. Here the help box. You have to fill this like fill in the blanks. Then page number 17 from the textbook. Here is some information about houses. Write 4 sentences on houses. This is house. You have to use these hints and frame 4 sentences. Okay, will you follow, children? Thank you.